How to improve erectile function naturally and safely. Urology-based treatments for ED. Hi everyone, welcome back to Moha's Health Hub. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of men worldwide: erectile dysfunction, or ED. Did you know that 1 in 5 men struggle with this issue? If you're looking for natural and safe ways to improve erectile function, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share expert tips, including lifestyle changes, avoiding harmful habits, and urology-backed treatments to help you regain confidence and improve your health. Let's get started. What is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual activity. It's often caused by a combination of physical, psychological, and lifestyle factors. These include poor blood flow, stress, hormonal imbalances, or medical conditions like diabetes and hypertension. Understanding the root cause is the first step toward addressing the issue. Natural remedies to improve erectile function. 1. Lifestyle changes. First, focus on a healthy diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, like fruits, vegetables, and nuts, improve blood flow. The Mediterranean diet, known for its heart health benefits, is especially helpful. Exercise is another powerful tool. Regular physical activity, such as walking, cycling, or strength training, boosts circulation and improves cardiovascular health. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. 2. Avoid excessive porn and masturbation. Excessive porn consumption and frequent masturbation can desensitize your brain's reward system, making it harder to achieve natural arousal. This is called porn-induced erectile dysfunction. Taking a break allows your brain to reset, improving your response to real intimacy. 3. Stress management. Stress and anxiety are common causes of ED. Practices like meditation, yoga, or even deep breathing exercises can help you relax and enhance your performance. A calm mind leads to better intimacy and overall health. 4. Pelvic floor exercises. Strengthening your pelvic floor muscles with Kegel exercises can make a big difference. These exercises improve blood flow to the penis and help you maintain stronger erections. You can easily practice them at home. 5. Sleep and rest. Getting enough sleep is vital. Poor sleep patterns disrupt hormone production, including testosterone, which is crucial for sexual health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. If lifestyle changes don't work, consult a urologist. They may recommend treatments like 1. Shockwave therapy. This non-invasive treatment improves blood flow to the penis. 2. Hormone replacement therapy helps address low testosterone levels. 3. Medications. Options like Sildenafil, Viagra, or Tadalafil, Cialis, are effective but should only be used under medical supervision. Remember to avoid unverified supplements or miracle cures. Always consult a professional before starting any treatment. Improving erectile function naturally takes time and consistency, but the results are worth it. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Moha's Health Hub for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.